This is a vibratome, and basically it's a blade, a ceramic blade, which vibrates really, really quickly, and that helps me to take really, really thin slices of mouse brains currently. And these are from mice which I have previously kind of genetically modified, and so I will be able to see the neurons in them in different colours when I take it over to the next step, which is my confocal imaging.
Fantastic. Wow. And these things down here, what are these?
Yeah, so this is where I collect the brain slices, each in an individual well, and so I can keep track of where they are in terms of how deep into the brain they are.
Fantastic. Thank you.
So this is how it works. And I just collect them just with a paintbrush. They're really, really thin, so they're 50 micrometers in depth. And then we just put it into the well. Yeah, that's
what is your question in your thesis, and how is what you're doing now helping you to do that?
okay.
If I could ask you that.
Yeah, so I'm trying to map the excitation inhibition balance within neurons, but at a subcellular level. And so to do that, I need to look at the distribution of excitatory and inhibitory synapses, and I'm looking within the hippocampus. And so I've previously genetically modified some mice so that their synapses, whether they're inhibitory or excitatory, kind of light up in different colours. But to get to those synapses and to get to the neurons that have those synapses, I need to get to the hippocampus, and so that's what I'm doing now, just taking really, really thin sections of the brain where the hippocampus is located, so that I can image and look at those synapses. Yeah, that's pretty much my research.
And how long is this going to take you?
So the whole project so I'm in my first year, the whole project's going to take me probably 2 more years to complete. But I'm going to look into, so these are from wild type mice, which are just kind of your neurotypical mice. And then I'm going to be looking into mutant mice as well, so Tenorin 3 mutants.
Wow. And what happens after you finish your research after 2 years?
So after I finish my research, I have to write my thesis, just write it all up basically, and then I don't know what I'm going to do after that. Who knows what I will do. But yeah. So I'm looking at some brain slices in a confocal microscope. One scan is currently taking 2 hours and I'm halfway through. It takes the images from different slices in the Z dimension, which is deeper into the sample. So if I just scroll through the different Z slices that it's taken so far, I can see that a neuron is fluorescently labelled, and so I can detect different parts of the neuron in either red or green depending on what I'm trying to look at.